So we just came to the last destination. No, not last.
No, there's one
But
more
it's the
place.
last day. Today we are going back to San Pedro.
San Pedro.
Finally.
5 hours.
Finally.
Finally, I miss my pet.
Yeah, even though it's smaller, it's more comfy than the other one we had.
Yes.
But yeah, now we are at the place. What's the name?
It's Poro Point. That Lone Lighthouse.
4 Point Lighthouse.
And
So
also,
that's the lighthouse.
we are going to meet one guy. He's a soldier. Yes, soldier from Air Force. And we just met online. Like we met him from online from our YouTube channel. And he had a Ukrainian girlfriend. Now they're ex. And she lives in Poland. That's why she's asking about everything because she's from Poland. And he's a really nice guy.
I'm from Poland.
We'll meet him.
From Poland, but I don't remember when I was there last time.
Yeah.
But anyway, so now we're eating food there.
Yes. Let's
Yeah. Nice to meet you. Hey, nice
This
to
is
meet you.
Kit. You know him. You know him already. Bawal pala pumasok rito.
Pwede. Sama ako.
Pwede? Ayos ah. Kasi marami ata ang asno. Ayun, may nakalagay there are snakes.
I don't have shoes for them.
It's okay.
No. It's not.
That's enough. So, guys, this is Kit. He is also a photographer and as well as from the Air Force. Really
Hello,
good
how are
guy.
you guys?
Serving our country. So,
Military guy.
salute. So guys, akit tayo sa lumang lighthouse. Masyado masira. Tumutunog. Puro palawang. Oh, that's big. There's the Poro Lighthouse. May nakaharang. Hindi makita masyado. Maganda siya. Pwede lang din umakyat eh.
Also a story.
There's a cliff there but we're not allowed for now.
Because this one is built, we're going to be a training field soon. That's why we are strictly
Like shooting area.
Sino kasama? Pamilya mo?
Oh, family ko. Balik na rin kami.
Saan pa
Tapos
kayo galing?
may nag-check out lang sa Transient. Tapos may dadalan din kaming Grape Farm.
Okay, ba't dala sa bed?
Excited to go home. Start traveling for since
How long have you
19
been here?
in the Philippines.
Since September.
September?
Mm.
When will we go back?
In
Poland, right?
Germany.
Oh, sorry, Germany.
She's from Poland,
Yeah, you're
but
from Poland.
But
she's living
we're
in
going in 5 days, 6 days? We're going together.
29.
I mean, si Utol ko karating lang eh, kahapon.
Seaman din nga pala.
Yeah, my brother was also a
His
seaman.
brother, a seaman,
Okay.
like me.
That's pretty popular.
But from engine or deck?
Deck.
From
Deck
deck.
siya.
Same as me. From deck.
Dito radar, ako dito ano ko radar. So supply. Supply person.
Radar and supply.
I was assigned in radar and supply personnel, armory,
That's great. Actually, you can carry big guns.
firearms, and ammunition.
Can you borrow one?
I have one band.
You need to practice shooting.
May camera ako dito if you want to take a
Dalawa?
Yeah.
That's
Favorite
Second.
That's huge.
Yeah, look at the setup. Must be
And
so
then we coming
expensive.
here on the iPhone.
Asan pa lang?
Tapos, yun, I'm just working here and then from Pampanga to
You're from
just assigned here.
You're just
Before I was assigned in Pasay City
Mm.
and then I was reassigned to Park Bridge, my hometown.
You're based.
And after that,
Transfer.
tanaw eh.
Transfer din pala.
Maybe I don't know. Maybe next year.
Maybe next year, other country.
Other country. Panasa tayong field.
Oh.
Sa
Also a seafarer. He's planning to change his career as a seafarer.
Yes. Because my brother was also a seafarer.
Same as Deck. Yeah. Check ko lang kung nag-record.
That'll be a lot of fun again.
So after this, you go back to
Yeah, we'll go back. We'll pass by to this great park.
Oh yeah, then we'll try to go to vegetable. Maganda dun. Oo, kung makakasama ka sana ako, maganda ako, may picture ako kayo dun. Kasi maganda siya yung place, para mga Buddhist mo.
Mga smart Chinese.
Yes, Chinese. Tapos, marami pa sana dito kung pwedeng galaan. So, ubus na oras nyo eh.
Wala na rin. Tsaka Pasko rin eh.
Oo.
Kailangan sa bahay maganda.
Traffic na din sa Manila.
Traffic na ako. Okay bro.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to
meet you bro, thank you. And nice to meet you.
Take care always.
Take care bro, take care.
Bye.
Yes.
I will go.
Send ko na lang pala sa'yo sa ano.
Sa... sige po. Thank you. Ingat. I'm going.
We're going back because they're waiting for us in the car.
Yeah.
Guys, we came to other place, the grape farm, grape picking adventure. We'll check what kind of grapes do they have, but I'm not gonna pick them
If you pick
without
them, you have to pay
trying.
them.
Without trying them, you just need to sneak one and then try if they are actually good, if they are worth picking. But yeah, I don't think it's that adventurous
That's
because that's because my grandpa used to have grapes, like a lot of grapes, so I used to pick them pretty often. Even though they were not rape, me and my sister, we just picked them because they were craving for grapes.
Put some grape farm as well.
We can, but it's not that easy though. I mean, we have one grape plant at home, but it's still small, like it needs some time to grow. So, but yeah, after this we're going 5 hours trip. 5 hours ride back to Manila, back to San Pedro. Oh my God, it's dry poop, whatever. Look, there is a goat. There's a goat. It's sketchy.
Really nice goat. Look at this small goat.
Okay. Oi, oi. But there's not that many grapes. What the heck? That's how they put them. No.
So this is the grapes.
So guys, we are at the farm now. Just look at this small grape. You just take
Don't
that.
show them the small ones.
But you just take that and you just try, Bobby.
Try? You have to pay for it. But there's worm. You did not wash it.
It's still pretty. That's how
Sour.
you read the grapes. Oh, washing. What the heck? It's pretty sour. Do you want to try? Just eat it. The skin is kind of hard because it's not from there. But this is how you just do it. Like what the? I grew up in a village. We never wash the fruits before eating them. So why are you so scared?
Maybe there's worm.
Anyway, look at this grape. That's pretty big one. I don't know. Did they say something? How much per kilo? I don't know.
Also,
Just try.
tanong mo.
First, you need to try and check if they are good.
Favorite mo ikaw, ubusin yun.
Yum yum.
That's favorite.
Oh yeah, they're good.
Si Bero na.
You're the one.
I used to do it before. Which one?
This one? No. This one. Grapes expert.
That's okay. I might.
Wait. Need help?
It's difficult. This one is thick. Oh, thank you. I couldn't cut it. Guys, we got our stuff. We have our grape 1 kilo. We have
Or
our
450. We
coffee
got discount.
caramel. I don't know.
Yeah, this is like Yema. It's Yema.
We got a free taste and it's pretty good. That's why. Thank
Oh,
you.
that's good stuff.
And now, yeah, we'll just go to car and drive back.
Finally.
So I think that's it.
Bye-bye.
That's it of the trip. Bye bye.